When an artist uses oil paint, solvent is a basic essential for diluting the paint and cleaning the brushes. Today I want to talk to you about some different types of solvents used by oil painters. In this video we're going to look at Distilled Turpentine, Artist's White Spirit, Sansodor and Artisan Thinner. When we add paint to the solvent, you can see that visually there's no real difference. Each of these solvents has different characteristics which suit the needs of a particular artist. Let's take a closer look. All solvents vary in strength and capacity to loosen the body of the colour. Distilled turpentine is a distillation of live pine tree resin and the strongest artist-grade solvent, capable of easily dissolving the Mar resin. Turpentine is a viscous, slow evaporating fluid which deteriorates over time. It's the most hazardous and pungent smelling solvent and most commonly used by artists. Artist's White Spirit is a mineral spirit, a petroleum distillate. It makes a watery mixture when used to thin down your oil paint. It evaporates quickly, is less hazardous, less costly and doesn't deteriorate in storage. Sansodor is an odourless spirit made from hydrocarbons. It also evaporates slowly and is the least hazardous solvent, in fact 3 times less hazardous than turpentine. Sansodor costs roughly the same as turpentine but doesn't deteriorate in storage, and because of its low aromatic properties it's well suited for artists that prefer to avoid exposure to turpentine. If you prefer to avoid solvents altogether, Artisan Water Mixable Oils are a genuine oil colour alternative, free from conventional solvents, can be cleaned in water and thinned using Artisan Thinner. Solvents are generally considered a potential health hazard, but used sensibly, they don't present a danger to most of us, so make sure that you use solvents in a well-ventilated area at all times and wash your hands after handling. A quick note, solvents should never exceed 50% of any oil paint medium mixture, or you risk your pigments bonding poorly. Anyway, I hope this solves some of your questions.